Okay guys, ever wanted to organize your collections into neat tabs instead of overwhelming customers with everything at once? Well, this section makes that ridiculously easy. Today we're adding this SK tabbed collection section to your store, letting customers switch between collections like joggers, boots, and shoes without ever leaving the page. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Tabbed Collection. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for SK Tabbed Collection. Then choose that section, it'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's add a collection, whatever you'd like to showcase here. Scroll down and let's change the title override to whatever we want. I'll replace this with Subscribe. You can add whatever fits your store instead. Right below that, you can also change the description and even hide the button entirely if you'd prefer. So far, everything we've been customizing was actually the block within this section. Now let's click on the section itself and its settings open up on the left side too. First, let's change the color of the active and inactive tabs. Scrolling down, let's change the background color to white to match my store's color scheme. Perfect. Now this collection's background looks nicely transparent, which honestly looks really clean. There's a lot more you can customize here too. Font family, padding, margin, and so much more. But if I go through every single option, this video would take forever. And that was just one tab. Let's close this and move to the second tab, which you can customize exactly the same way. I'll just add one collection here since the customization process is identical for every tab. Once you feel this section fits your store perfectly, just hit save and it goes live on your store instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.